Trade with Zay. I'm Isaiah. Wednesday, April 6th, and yeah, want to see something. Yesterday's trade was a perfect entry, and let me tell you why. We caught 105 of the 550 pips that we could have caught, and that, my friends, I don't know, man. It's crazy because I know these entries are great, but I got to figure out what I'm doing wrong here in terms of not holding my trade, right? 572 pips, that's a long way down. So, you know, yeah, I'm not sure, but it's something that I got to work on. That's for sure. So, let's just go ahead and get right to it. This was the original trade. Um, don't really see much though, right? We literally have a huge break of structure. Broke all of these. But one thing I see is that we have a key level where price kind of rejected. Now, it's kind of funny because I really, really like this buy. I really do. Really, really like the buy. Even though it's kind of already moving up. If price comes back down to this level again, let's say right here, even if it didn't, I'm taking this. Whoops. Let's say if it comes back down into the zone, we could possibly look at it like this. Let's see. See a lot of ILC somewhat. So let's say we just take it to right here. You know, let's say we take it right there. Something like that. So let's see. Let's see what it gives us. Now, it's not that smart of a trade. I definitely don't think it's that smart of a trade. But let's just go ahead and do it the way I would do it as well. Most recent high to most recent low. I like this right here. This ILC is pretty clean, right? 50% ILC. We could possibly see price shoot up to this level. Would drag down, right? Oops, let's make this the right color. Then we have this ILC basically in golden zone, right? Essentially, it's in golden zone. So we got these two levels right here. Now, I do want to take a buy it right here for some reason, but something's telling me I shouldn't. Well, it's not something. I know what's telling me is that, you know, we'd be going completely against the trend. And if we do that, then we have something where it's kind of like I'm not sure. It's kind of like you know, one thing that my big rule is don't go against the trend because we could just see a clear reversal back down to the downside. So, you know, I don't think it's a smart thing to do. Even though I like that it's pushing up from this level, I really do. But yeah, I just think I shouldn't do it, truthfully. So we'll see. We'll see what it gives us. But yeah, I think this is the. I think it wouldn't be smart for me to take this trade, even though I'm really thinking about it. but I guess the possibility of taking one of these trades would be really great. I mean, that's kind of what our stop loss would have to be. And truthfully, is that what we want? A 1 to 2.39. And this is actually a very key level, right? This is the weekly support to resistance. So this is a strong level right here. I like for a buy. Like I said, I don't know why, but I do like it for a buy. So we'll see. I'm looking at something like this. Let's say we even wait for it to come up here. That's a lot better. So we'll see what price does once it gets up to this level. Maybe we can enter, some smaller positions here. And if price continues to push up into this zone, then we can enter our big ones. Have our stop loss set just above. Let's see what it gives us. Yeah. Alright, so right now, you know what, I could do it right here. So let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Obviously everything is down, but look at that. Amazon, right? Let's go percent change. Marvell Technology. It is looking pretty freaking red, right? So we got that, and then let's go to Forex Factory. I know we have the FOMC meeting minutes. There you go. So let's see what this is. Why traders care? It's the Treasury Secretary's job to communicate the U.S. President's economic policies, and her speeches are often used to signal policy shifts to the public and foreign governments. Okay. And then, let's see, crude oil inventories. That does not necessarily affect the NASDAQ, but it can, in my opinion. Yeah, so we want to be done pretty early. That's if price gives us the entry that we're looking for. And yeah, let's see if it gives it to us. So we obviously know there's a bit of respect shown right here, so we'll see if price just rejects this and comes down. I'm gonna lighten this shade up quite a bit. It's there, but we don't need it fully there like that. Yeah, there's something about this trade right here that I want to take. It's kind of calling my name. What do you guys think? Is anybody on here? Hey Johnny, if you're on here, what do you think about this buy right here? Tell me what you think. Buy off this level. Even though price didn't break structure, I know it's not the smart thing to do. Tell me what you think. I'm going to use the restroom real quick. Go ahead and put it right there in the comment section. And tell me what you think about each of these trades. But yeah, let me use the restroom real quick. What up, Johnny? Yeah, it's very risky. Um, and you can kind of see it's already engulfed, right? It kind of engulfed this entire candle right here, so it could just push down. Um, yeah, I think it is a risky trade, and you can kind of see it's doing that kind of bearish pennant thing, right? Something like that. So it could really just, it's not strong, right? Like the push up wasn't something strong, so I mean, I keep looking at my rules to the left of me, and in big, let's say the rest of my rules are in size 14 font, and about size 36 font, it says do not trade against the trend. So, yeah, you know what? Yeah. Even though I really want to take this trade and push up, um, I don't think I should. I don't think I should. Yeah, let's not do it. Let's just try and I mean, I have a good feeling it's gonna shoot up from here, but I don't think it's smart. So I won't. Fuck it. We got about 5 seconds till open. Let's see if it gives us this trade right here. What you feel about this one, this sell right here? Do you think this is a good level, or do you think it pushes past this up to these levels up here? Let me know. Alright, it's go time. There it goes. Man. See what I said? Man, I even feel like putting in a buy right now because I know it's pushing up, but it's not smart. It's a big push up though. That was essentially, a 40 pip push in a minute. Which, if we just put in a quick .05 and said, fuck it, let's just ride it up to the 50 EMA, that's $200 right there. So I was kind of thinking of doing, but it's all good. This is more just, I mean, for me, I keep telling myself stay disciplined in my head, so yeah. Whoa. And that's why you don't get in on, you don't get in on the top of that candle. Jesus, don't tell me that was a trade right there. That's crazy. Sheesh, don't tell me that was a trade. I reject that. You could see it's probably might be retesting this 50 EMA right here on the 1 minute. A little rejection there. Like I said, I still don't want to take a buy, even though I think it could push up from here. And see how it retests and reject. Man, I hope that wasn't the trade. I don't think so. I think we should be good for it to continue to push up. hope it pushes up, because that's really the trade right there, right? Damn, yeah, that shit looks like it's coming down. I really don't like what it went off of either, truthfully. Hmm. Ooh, thinking about putting a buy, but nah, no, I shouldn't. It's something about, like, I know I shouldn't go against the trend, right? The trend is your friend. Even though I like this area right here to buy from. Damn. Yeah, it looks like it's using it as a resistance now, right? Man, I hope that wasn't the trail. There it goes. Yeah, this actually might be the trade right here. It came back, retest the 1 minute ILC, and fall. Fuck. That sucks. Damn. Yeah, I think that was the trade right there. Because obviously we have, that's a nice rejection, right? 637 to so a 10 pip wick. There's like a 20 pip candle, right? 23 pip candle, rejection candle, followed by another bearish candle, right? Kind of wicked out of the 50 EMA. But then what it decided to do was make it official, right? Once it came under here, then we look for the retest at the breakthrough and retest. Once we see respect shown, you enter, and then you catch the trade to the downside. So it would have been something like this. Small stop loss just above these wicks, and then you take the thing down here. Let's see if we could get another push up right here. Maybe we could jump into the trade. Let's see. Maybe it retested the trend line, right? Because I noticed that happens. You can see the trend line set. Alright, trend line set. And then you have a break and retest of the trend line. So that could be it too. But it sure does look like it's coming down. Might have missed the trade. I'm not in it, so don't think that I am. Let's see if we can get maybe another re-entry right here. We could have like a 20 pip stop loss, 18 pip stop loss. So we'll see if we could take it right there. That'll be the goal. Because we've already seen it kind of break the trend line, right? Not only that, and broke the low right here. So we know it's coming down. Even though we've already known that, we were just looking for more of a retracement to the upside before it dropped below here. There we go. Let's see if we could get a retest up here. Wow, is that it? I usually don't wait for the wick and wick. So this wick wicking into this wick, I like to wait for it to wick into the body up here, right? And then wick out. But fuck, might have missed it again. Shit, that was it. Damn, fucking missed the trade. Fuck. Damn. It's a big wick. 5 seconds left. Still looks like it's coming down though. Thinking about putting in a sell right here. I'm just being honest. Let's see if it gives us another push though. Damn, shit's moving. It's pretty fucking volatile, I'll give you that. Alright. I'll just put a sell in, and I like it. I just put another sell in too. Stop loss would have to be above this wick still. Basically got in right here. So we'd have to have it up here. About 33 pips. Shit, yeah, we're up already. I put in 2. So I'm in at a 87, 79, 75, 74. I just hopped in because I think that was the retest. I mean, it could push up on us. That's a key level. That's the thing. Maybe I should move my stops to break even already. For some reason, I have 566 as a key level on my MT4. Man, that should really. We were really in at the top. That sell yesterday was crazy. Alright, it's moving. Let's see if it can continue to move down. I'm trying to see where it can possibly go from here. Right? Yeah, this is a key level, right? Resistance to support, resistance, support, support. And it looks like it's using this as support. You see how it's kind of pushing up. Damn. This might be a key level. Let's see if it can continue down. We're up about 190, 200. Okay, it's kind of flying. 240. Let's see, it's moving. We're only up about 38 pips, 40 pips. So we're up about 350 right now total. It's rejecting that. Another key level, right? Alright. This isn't bad, right? It's moving. I just don't know where it's gonna go. That's the bad part. I'm gonna pull half my trade at about 539, so let's see if I can get that. Alright, I just pulled half my trade, securing $200. I have about 240 floating, 250 floating. It's moving on us. I just don't know where it's going. That's the bad part. Well, I think 27% is a good start, right? I think 27% is a good start. So we secured about 204, 205, and we got about 230 floating right now. I think 27% is a good start right there. That could be our take profit. Even though I kind of want to just pull the trade already. See what we can do. Were you able to hop in, Johnny? Let me know. Oh yeah, and move your stops to break even. That's what I'm gonna do. See if this thing can continue down. Cool. See if it can stay down. We got about 20 seconds left. I'd like to see this candle. I'm looking at the 1 minute on the other screen, sorry. I'd like to see the candle finish bearish the way it looks right now. Hopefully it doesn't wick out again. But it looks good to continue down. Let's see if we could just make this pull down. Okay, looks like it's still moving. Let's go. And you know, we're really only up about 50 pips right now, 55 pips. I'm in at 87, 53 pips. So we're not up a lot of pips yet, but let's see what it gives us. So this is a key level right here. You know, I think I do like this 27% area. I think I do. We're up about 287, 280. Okay. I'm going to pull some profits right here. Pulling a 0.02. Oh, this is still fine. Hold on. You know what? Alright, just pulled a 0.02. That's going to put me about 327 for the day. I got a 0.03 runner. 170, 180. Still moving down, right? 525. Kinda. No, fuck it. Let's secure. All right, I just pulled another 0.01. Oh, that actually didn't put me there. Fuck it. I like it. I just pulled it. Damn, I forgot to do my fucking recordings. Son of a bitch. No, fuck it. At the end of the day, profit's profit. So we're able to profit quite well, and we'll take that. You know what I mean? So 520 bucks. Right before it pushed up, we were able to catch, essentially 67 pips, 66 pips total, and yeah, secured a good day. Fuck it. At the end of the day, that's all that matters, is securing the dollars. I just pulled it just because I really don't know quite where it's going. It's probably coming down to this level here, right? It's a key. You can see there's resistance, support, support, support. So it probably is going to come down to this level right here. And like I said, I got to get better at securing my days. But we'll take it. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, that's all that matters, is making money. So look at it starting to make its push down a little bit. I pulled my position at 21. It looks like was my lowest position. I was in at 87. So it's at about 10 right now. So it hit our 27% level and it's passing it now. So, if you're still holding it, I would hold it down to this level. I think you could get another 513. You could probably get another 40 pips out of it, truthfully, if you're holding it. But if you want to take some partial profits here, and then you could take the rest of the profits down here, that'd be smart. And you could possibly even see it come down to this level. So you could probably even see another 80 pips. That's a lot of pips right there. So I just pulled the trade because I'm an idiot and I don't have no patience. But it is what it is. We got about 67 of these pips. Damn, I forgot to do the video too. That's not, I don't know, fuck. Usually how I do my reels, but this thing looks like it's coming down. It might retrace a little bit, but it's gonna come down. Definitely looks like it. But it's not a bad trade that we took right here. It really isn't. We got in ourselves. After we seen price come back up, we have a trend line formed with the 50 and 20 EMA, right? We have an ILC here. So we really had 3 confirmations to take the trade. Bottom of the trend line, see if price uses it as resistance. We've seen the first case right here. All right, support, 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 support. Broke through, retest, resistance. Then we had the 20 EMA cross over the 50 EMA, right? So 50 EMA here, 20 crosses over. And then we essentially see, breakthrough, retest with the ILC. It wicked out of the wick, right? Wicked out of the wick, wicked in, wicked out. We entered our trades here, I believe, on this candle here, right? We entered the trade on this one. And yeah, we were able to catch that thing for 67 pips. Looks like it's just going to retest. It might come up to this ILC, fall down, or it might come up to the bottom of this golden zone area and fall down. It's just a matter of, how long it's going to take. Not that great of a trade, right? 1 to 2 ratio. Not that great in terms of, we really didn't see any drawdown. But this is where I was willing to take my loss at 33 pips. I took my shit at 67. So that just wasn't a good trade. I'd say overall, that's like a C. We profited. We made money for the day, but it wasn't a great trade. So that's something I got to work on. But yeah, at the end of the day, it's just another day where we could get better. And you can see price is going to probably continue down right here. But as long as you're able to catch it, profit, make some money, that's a good thing. So, we were basically in and out in 15 minutes, right? How long did this trade take? Not even 15 minutes. At about 10 minutes. 10-minute trade, right? And, 67 pips for us to go ahead and make that's not bad at all. So I'll take that. Yeah. But made it. For anybody else who's going to watch the replay, you know, please go ahead and tune in. Tune into the Instagram as well at Day Trade with Zay. And, you know, we'll be back tomorrow. We'll probably hear some big news today with the FOMC meeting minutes. Not sure I'm going to trade it, but I will be paying attention. So if you got time at 11, I think that's when it is at 11. Let me make sure. Yeah, at 11 today. So if you got time at 11 to tune in, I tune in just to see what the market does when they say what they say, and you just go from there. But Johnny, appreciate you for hopping on, dog. We'll see you tomorrow, man.